How to use the College VLE. Step 1. Search for Kirklees College in Chrome, Safari or another secure mobile browser. Step 2. Click through to the Kirklees College website. Step 3. Click the icon with 3 lines in the top right-hand corner of your screen and select Students. Step 4. Wait for the Kirklees College VLE to load and then select Login with Office 365. Step 5. Type in your Kirklees College email address. This will be the student number on your ID badge, followed by @kirkleescollege.ac.uk. Step 6. Enter your password on the organisational sign-in page and select Login. Your password is your date of birth in the format written on the screen. Step 7. Choose whether you want the browser to remember your password. We suggest you only do this if you're on a personal computer or mobile. Step 8. Make sure that all of the essential fields marked with a red exclamation mark are populated and select Update Profile. Step 9. Select the Dashboard button to view the dashboard. Step 10. Select Site Home to return to the VLE homepage.